Hello boys and girls, my name is Lulu. Welcome back. So for today's lesson, we are going to dance and sing. Every children are allowed to do some movements. So before we start, let's listen to this song together. It is called Cover Your Mouth When You Cough.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth. Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth.
You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please. When you feel that itchy throat, put some tissue in your coat. If you don't, then use your sleeve. Don't spread your germs when you sneeze. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please. Now you've got a runny nose. Be careful what you touch and hold. Always cough into your arm. Spreading germs, it causes harm. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth. Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth.
When you're sick, just stay at home. Get some good rest all alone. Don't give germs to your friends too. You need to play alone. It's the thing to do. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please. Oh, I'm asking please. Cover your mouth when you sneeze.
Well, from this song, we learned that we need to cover our sneeze and cough. Think about it. What exactly happens when we cough and sneeze? Yes, when we cough and sneeze, the germs will spread. So we need to cover our sneeze and cough to stop the spread of germs. Think about it. How to cover our sneeze and cough? Do we use our hands? No, we don't use our hands. So why can't we use our hands? The germs will stay in our hands if we don't wash our hands, right? So if you don't have a tissue, so cough and sneeze into your elbow. Well, let's see how vampire to cover his sneeze and cough. See, here is a vampire and he wants cough. Let's see what does he do. Achoo! Achoo! We've already know how vampire cover his sneeze and cough, so let's be a vampire. First, grab your cape. Second, put it over your face. Third, cough into your arms. Let's listen to this song together.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth. Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth.
You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please. When you feel that itchy throat. Put some tissue in your coat. If you don't, then use your sleeve. Don't spread your germs when you sneeze. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking, please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking, please. Now you've got a runny nose. Be careful what you touch and hold. Always cough into your arm. Spreading germs, it causes harm. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking, please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking, please.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy. I say pleasey, you need to cover your mouth. Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy. I say pleasey, you need to cover your mouth.
When you're sick, just stay at home. Get some good rest all alone. Don't give germs to your friends too. You need to play alone. It's the thing to do. You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking, please. You need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking, please. Oh, I'm asking, please. Cover your mouth when you sneeze.
I'm a vampire, Lulu. Do you like this song? So let's do a review. See how to cover our sneeze and cough. When you need to cough or sneeze, put your hands up over your mouth like a vampire. First, put the arm up and make a fist. Second, stretch the arms over mouth. Third, cough or sneeze into elbow. Have you learned anything from this class? Do you like this song and dance? You can ask your friends or parents. Try to dance together. So see you next time. Bye bye.